Look guys, without wasting your time, I will be showing you one of the easiest steps to remove background from an image in Photoshop. These are questions people have been searching on. These are tutorials people have been searching on. Is it possible to remove a background with just one click? Yes, it is possible and very fast and reliable to remove a background with just one click in Photoshop. I'm using Photoshop 2023, which it is free. You can send a DM to me, which I will drop the link to the software and you download it. You download it and you make use of it. Just with just one click and the background is gone. Let me show you. I've dragged in the image now. Now it's showing me some objects, select object, and it's showing remove object. It's showing all this. What I just need is just one click. That is remove background. Just waiting. I've already clicked it. Just waiting for the result. What you just see next is you see the result. The background is gone. Can you see the background is gone? Clean, even to these edges. Can you see there is no space, even to the hair, to her hair, there is no background showing. It has removed the background with just one click. Let's try one more. Let's try one more. Can you see this image also? Instead of you just to start dragging, start shaping, start doing, wasting time, all what you just need is just one click and it's gone. Just one click and it's gone. You have your result. This is fast and reliable. If you are new on this channel, remember to click the subscribe button to watch more tutorials and to learn more. It will make your work more easier. Thanks to you all. See you on another next video of mine, teaching you more tutorials, more steps to do or to go around as a graphic designer. Thanks to you all.